Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous Quizette tutorial. Today we are working on 8th grade, Unit 2, Quizette number 1. Today, we're working on Friday. So here we go. Okay, Friday, number 16. Solve for watermelons. Okay, remember, a letter of the alphabet represents a number we do not know. So here, try to think to yourself, what is the opposite of that second power? So think to yourself, what is the opposite? That is correct. If you said the opposite of squared is the square root, you are absolutely amazing. But remember the equal sign rule. So line down the middle, but whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So now what we have here is square root and squared cancel out to W equals, and the square root means, well, what number times what number equals 9? It has to be the same number times itself. And if you said 3 times 3 gives you 9, that's correct. But remember, the square root says only use one number. So W equals 3. Okay, now let's run the check and see if it works. So, check. W to the second power equals 9. W we found out to be 3, so 3 to the second power equals 9. Now think to yourself, what is 3 to the second power? Now be very careful. That is 3 times 3, because 3 to the second power means 2 3s. So don't confuse that with 3 times 2. So 3 times 3, 2 3s, equals 9. Remember, maybe. Okay, and 3 times 3 is 9, equals 9. So check. W of equaling 3 is the correct answer. Alright, 17. Solve for rabbits. Alright, now, it is Friday. Think a little bit on this one. What is the first step? Alright, if you said the first step was to draw the line, make rabbit simpler to something plus 2 equals 10, that is the way to go. Very good. So something plus 2 equals 10. Well, what's the next step to get in the box by itself? If you said the next step was to do the opposite, minus 2, that is absolutely correct. So box comes down because positive and negative 2 are opposites, equals 10 minus 2 is 8. But remember here that the box represented R, so R is equal to 8. We'll put a box around to find the answer. Now, what I want you to do is think to yourself and try to do the check. So try to do the check on your own on this one and see what you come up with. I'll pause for a little bit while you work on the check. And look at, even the fly likes the numbers. There he goes. All right. You ready? Here we go. All right. R plus 2 equals 10. Next step was plug in 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right. If you got 10 equals 10 and they match, that's correct. So R of 8 is the correct answer. Number 18. Solve for Jack in the Box. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and try this one on your own. Then I'll go over it in a minute. Give it a try right now on your own. See if you can do it. Alright, if you need additional time, go ahead and pause the video. But otherwise, here we go. Line down the middle. Jack in the box is something minus 1 equals 2. Opposite of minus 1 is add 1, and our box, ones are out, equals 3. But don't forget the box represented J, so J equals 3. Now run the check, see if it works. So check J minus 1 equals 2, but we found out that J should be 3. So 3 minus 1 should equal 2, question mark. 3 minus 1 is 2, equals 2. So check J of 3 is the correct answer. Alright, number 19. Solve for Jack in the Box once again. Now notice our variable is on the right side. It really doesn't matter. So this equation says 2 equals J divide 3. Well, I don't like J because it's a letter of the alphabet, makes 8th grade hard, and so forth. Well, 2 equals something divide 3. There we go. That just made it way easier. Okay, now I need to do the opposite. Okay, so here goes the opposite. So the opposite of dividing 3 is going to be multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 equals box. But remember the box represented Jack in the Box, so 6 equals J. Now, is it opposite? Yeah, but it doesn't matter. J equals 6, 6 equals J, same thing. Okay, check and see if that works, and that's true. So check 2 equals J over 3. So I'm going to go ahead and transform this equation. 2 equals, J is now 6 divide 3. So I just changed J to 6 from here. Divide is divide, and 3 is 3. And 2 equals 6 divided 3 is 2, so check both sides are equal, and 6 equals J is the correct answer. Number 20. 3r equals 9. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can work it out. Unpause the video when you're ready to go over it. Alright, thank you for unpausing the video. Here we go. Line down the middle. 3r is 3 times something, gives you 9. Opposite of multiplying by 3 is divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3's cancel out. Box comes down. Equals 9 divided 3 is 3. But the box represented R. Wow. I think you got that one right. So R equals 3. Check. So our check says 3R equals 9. But R is 3. So now we got 3 times 3 equals 9. And 3 times 3 is 9 equals 9. So check. R of equals 3 is the correct answer. Alright, your last step, what you're going to do is you're going to take all the answers from the Quizette and create the secret message. So this comes from question 10. This one comes from question 2, question 9, and so forth. The letters here will create the secret message to verify you did the Quizette correctly. Now, of course, the whole Quizette was on video this week, so it should be absolutely perfect. Thank you, and have a great day.